If you get sued for a debt, you can probably respond to the debt collection lawsuit on your own. This video goes over the 3-step process to respond to a debt collection lawsuit without hiring a lawyer. Many people who get sued for credit card debt, medical debt, or any other kind of debt don't realize they can respond to the lawsuit without hiring and paying an attorney to help. But it's usually as simple as filling out and mailing some paperwork. Let's break down the process step by step. Step 1. Read the summons and complaint. The summons and complaint are official court documents. Usually someone will serve you with these documents in person or leave them with an adult at your home. In some cases, the debt collector can mail them to you. The summons tells you that you're being sued, and it gives you a deadline for responding to the lawsuit. The complaint explains who's suing you, why they're suing you, and how much they're suing you for. We do a deep dive into these documents in our video on how to read and understand court papers, so check that out to learn more about this step. Once you've read the summons and complaint carefully, it's time to move on to step 2. Fill out a court-provided answer form or draft your own. The form you use to respond to a debt lawsuit is called an answer form. It's where you respond to the claims made against you in the complaint by telling the judge which claims you agree with, which claims you disagree with, and which claims you don't have enough information to agree or disagree with. You also usually get to explain your defenses in the answer form. Understanding defenses can be one of the trickiest parts of filling out an answer form. We can't tell you which defenses apply to you, but we did make a video to explain the most common defenses in debt lawsuits. Check out this video to learn more. Now you may be wondering, where am I supposed to get an answer form? Luckily, many courts provide blank answer forms that you can either download and print from their website or pick up in person at the court. Check your court's website or call the court clerk if you need help finding this form. You'll also want to check to see if your court has any other required forms you'll need to fill out and submit for the debt collection lawsuit. All right, on to the final step. Step 3, file the form. Before you file your form, though, you're going to want to make at least 2 copies. File the original form with the court, mail a copy to the person or company that's suing you, and keep 1 copy for your records. To file your answer, you usually mail it to the courthouse or submit it to the court clerk in person. Some courts allow you to email or e-file your form, but you need to check with your local court rules to see what's allowed. Some courts explain your filing options in the summons, so it can be helpful to check that first. After you file with the court, you need to give the plaintiff, that's the person suing you, the debt collector, or maybe a lawyer they've hired, a copy of your answer form. You can usually send this in the mail, and it's a good idea to send any court papers via certified mail so that you have proof that it was delivered. You can find the plaintiff's name and address on the summons or complaint. Sending your answer form to the plaintiff isn't just a procedural step, it's a really powerful statement. It tells the debt collector that you're ready to defend yourself, and this move alone can sometimes persuade them to back off. Most debt collectors don't want to spend the time and money it takes to fight a court battle. They're hoping you don't respond so they can win without putting up a fight. If you don't respond to the lawsuit, it won't just go away. In fact, it almost guarantees the debt collector a win. And if the debt collector wins, they can get a court order to garnish your wages or freeze your bank account. You can learn more about the consequences of not responding to a debt lawsuit in our other video in the series. The good news is that many people can handle these lawsuits solo, but if you're looking for backup, there's help available. Check out the link in the description to find free or low-cost lawyers near you. You can also visit upsolve.org for more information about how to respond to a debt collection lawsuit, to learn about your rights when a debt collector contacts you, and to see if you qualify for our free help.